Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. So today we are going to start our new concept in mathematics, that is line. In previous video we have learned the different types of geometrical shapes. In today's video we are going to learn lines. So what is the name of the lesson? Fun with lines. Okay. So what is line? You have heard this word many times. So what is line? When we say line, what comes in our mind? Yes, this is a line. This line comes in our mind, or this line, or straight line. These both are called as a straight lines. So if we put a thread in our hand and stretch it tightly, then it becomes a straight line, and we loose the thread, then it will become the curved line. Okay, this is the straight line and this is the curved line. Okay, so these are called as a line. Okay, now we will learn the next point in the fun with lines, that is identify the lines. Identify the lines. So there are three types of lines are there. So the first one is sleeping line. The second one is standing line. And the third one is sloping line. So there are three types of lines are there. First one is sleeping line, second one is standing line, and third one is sloping line. So what do you mean by sleeping line? This line is called as sleeping line, and sleeping line is also called as horizontal line. Sleeping line is also called as horizontal line. What is the spelling of sleeping line? S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping, L-I-N-E, line, sleeping line. And what is the spelling of horizontal line? H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L, horizontal, L-I-N-E, line, horizontal line. And this is the sleeping line. Then the second one is standing line. So this line is called as a standing line, and standing line is also called as vertical line. Vertical line. What is the spelling of standing line? S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing, L-I-N-E, line, standing line. And what is the spelling of vertical line? V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L, vertical, L-I-N-E, line, vertical line. So this is the standing line. And the third one is sloping line. So this is the sloping line. And sloping line is also called as inclined line. What is the spelling of sloping line? S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping, L-I-N-E, line, sloping line. An inclined line, what is the spelling of inclined line? I-N-C-L-I-N-E-D, inclined, L-I-N-E, line, inclined line. So this is the inclined line or sloping line. Okay. So we have learned three types of lines. One is sleeping or horizontal line, then standing or vertical line, and sloping or inclined line. Okay. So these are the three types of line. First one is sleeping line, then standing line and sloping line. This is the sleeping line, this is the standing line, and this is the sloping line. Okay. So our next point is, what things can be used to draw a line? So which are the different things we are used to draw a line? So the first one is book. By using a book, we can draw a line. Okay, like this. By using a book, we can draw a line. Okay. Then the next thing is scale. By using scale, we can draw a line like this. Okay. By using book, by using scale, and the third one is pencil box. And by using pencil box, we can also draw a line. And the fourth thing is by using our hand, like this. Okay. So which things are used to draw a line? Book, scale, pencil box, and by using our hand. The fourth one is our hand. By using our hand, we can draw a line. Okay. So these are the things that can be used to draw a line. Okay. So the next point is, which geometrical figures can be drawn using a line? So by using the lines, we can draw many geometrical figures. So the first one is rectangle. By using the lines, we can draw rectangle. In the rectangle, two sleeping lines are there and two standing lines are there. So the first one is rectangle. Rectangle. Then we can draw square. By using line, we can draw square. In square, two sleeping lines are there and two standing lines are there. The next one is square. Then triangle. In triangle, two sloping lines are there and one sleeping line is there. This is triangle. Rectangle, square, triangle. Then cuboid. We can draw cuboid using the lines. Then cube. By using line, we can draw a cube. This is cube. Then cone. And many more figures. Okay. So by using the lines, we can draw rectangle, square, triangle, cuboid, cube, cone, and cylinder. So these are the geometrical figures that can be drawn using a line. So this is our lesson fun with line. This is very small chapter in textbook, but we have learned so many things. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this chapter, fun with